Welcome back to TechTab's Explained series. Today, we will be taking a look at what makes a good smartphone camera system. There are 4 vital categories that makes a good smartphone camera system. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, there are lenses, certainly. Let's explore these different types of smartphone camera lenses. 1. Main standard lens. The main or standard lens in a smartphone camera is the primary lens used for everyday photography. It typically provides a moderate field of view, similar to what the human eye sees. The main lens is versatile and suitable for various photography scenarios, including portraits, street photography, and general-purpose shooting. 2. Ultra-wide lens. An ultra-wide lens has a significantly wider field of view compared to the main lens. It allows you to capture a larger scene or fit more subjects into the frame. They offer a unique perspective and can create a sense of depth in images. 3. Telephoto lens. A telephoto lens in a smartphone camera allows you to zoom in on distant subjects. It offers a longer focal length compared to the main or standard lens, resulting in higher magnification. They enable optical zoom capabilities and are often found in smartphones with multiple lenses. 4. Periscope lens. A periscope lens is a specialized type of telephoto lens that uses a prism or mirror arrangement to achieve a longer focal length within a compact form factor. Periscope lenses are commonly found in smartphones that offer high levels of optical zoom. They allow for extended zoom ranges without significantly increasing the thickness or bulk of the device. Periscope lenses are beneficial for capturing distant subjects with clarity and detail. It's worth noting that not all smartphones include all of these lens types. The combination and availability of different lenses can vary depending on the smartphone model and manufacturer. Some smartphones may feature a combination of telephoto, ultra-wide, and main lenses, while others may incorporate a periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities. Secondly, there are megapixels. The megapixel, MP, count of a smartphone camera refers to the number of individual pixels that the camera sensor can capture. While the MP count is not the sole determinant of camera quality, it can have some impact on the overall image quality and capabilities of the camera. Here's how the MP count affects smartphone cameras. 1. Image resolution. Generally, a higher MP count allows for higher resolution images. More pixels mean more detail can be captured, resulting in images with greater clarity and finer details. Higher resolution images are beneficial for activities such as printing or cropping photos without significant loss of quality. 2. Digital zoom. A higher MP count can provide more flexibility when using digital zoom. With a higher resolution image, you can zoom in digitally and still maintain a reasonable level of detail. 3. Low light performance. A higher MP count can potentially affect low light performance. In smartphones with smaller camera sensors, packing more pixels into a limited space can result in smaller individual pixel sizes. Smaller pixels receive less light, which can lead to increased image noise and reduced low light performance. It's important to consider that the MP count is just one factor among many that determine the overall camera performance. Thirdly, sensor size is an important factor that influences the performance and image quality of a smartphone camera. Firstly, light gathering capability. The size of the camera sensor determines how much light it can capture. Larger sensors have more surface area, allowing them to gather more light. The more the light, the better the image. Secondly, the dynamic range. Sensor size also affects the dynamic range of a camera, which refers to the ability to capture details in both bright and dark areas of a scene, such as the sky. Larger sensors tend to have a higher dynamic range, allowing them to capture a wider range of light intensities and produce more balanced exposures. Thirdly, depth of field. Sensor size plays a role in determining the depth of field, which refers to the portrait mode effect. With a larger sensor, it is easier to achieve a shallower depth of field, allowing for better subject separation and background blur, also known as bokeh effects. This can be desirable for portrait photography or when you want to emphasize a specific subject. Lastly, smartphone camera software plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall performance and user experience of the camera. Here are some reasons why smartphone camera software is important. 1. Image processing. Camera software processes the raw image data captured by the camera sensor to produce a final image. It performs various tasks such as noise reduction, sharpness enhancement, white balance adjustment, color correction, and dynamic range optimization. Advanced algorithms and software techniques are employed to improve image quality, enhance details, and create visually pleasing results. 2. Auto mode and scene detection. Smartphone camera software often includes automatic shooting modes and scene detection capabilities. These features analyze the scene being captured and adjust camera settings accordingly, such as exposure, focus, and white balance. This allows users to capture better photos without needing to manually adjust settings for each shot. 3. HDR and night modes. Many smartphone cameras offer HDR, high dynamic range, and night modes. These modes capture multiple images at different exposures and combine them to create a final image with improved dynamic range and reduced noise. 6. User interface. The camera software's user interface and design significantly influence the user experience. Intuitive controls, quick access to settings, gesture-based controls, and features like tap to focus contribute to a user-friendly and seamless camera experience. In summary, smartphone camera software is vital for optimizing image quality, providing automated shooting modes, applying advanced image processing techniques, and offering a user-friendly experience. It plays a significant role in ensuring that users can capture high-quality photos and videos with their smartphones. It's important to note that not all smartphones include all of these lens types. The combination and availability of these lenses can vary depending on the smartphone model and manufacturer. Some smartphones may include a combination of telephoto, ultra-wide, and main lenses, while others may feature a periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities. The inclusion of these lenses depends on the intended use cases and camera capabilities of the smartphone.